So here are some more of my fountains. These are kind of the smaller and medium-sized ones. I have Eyes on You by Firehawk, the Shogun number 2B cone, Color Balls by Winda, Booby Trap by Brothers, Moon Dance, Phantom, Jalapeno Popper, TNT, Burst of Color by Firehawk, Paparazzi by World Class, Box of Geyser Fountains by Firehawk, Box of Alien Whistlers, Dream Flowers by Winda, Brilliant Shower by Winda, The Humdinger by Brothers, The Countdown by TNT, and The Apache Fire Dance by Phantom. The TNT fountains I actually got at Target and Walmart in Kingman and Bullhead City, Arizona. So that's kind of neat. So here are some of the fountains for my 2020 stash.